We have a total of 143 criminal cases that we intend to deal with, distributed across all our courts, all the way from the High Court to our last court. Our statistics for civil are 43 civil cases where children are involved. And lastly, like I mentioned, we have 5 matters or 5 cases where their mothers are in custody. So those are the children that we intend, those are the files that we intend to look at. And from the lists that we have, unfortunately, the highest number of cases we have are sexual offences matters. In Naivasha, we do not have a child protection unit. What we have is a building that was commissioned a few years ago. The building as the structure is already up. However, the facility cannot hold juvenile offenders. Now, Naivasha being a catchment area and also a transit point, we have in our knowledge and also in some of our court cases realized that we have issues of sexual exploitation or trafficking in persons for purposes of sexual exploitation. Sometimes and in most cases, these issues have been reported that they are matters of being found in the country illegally. And in such circumstances, the offender or the accused person, who sometimes may be an adult or a minor, is arrested for being in the country illegally, and then they're just repatriated back to their country.